All right, the fact that the last two losses were as disgusting as they were, I'm actually going to do these 50 push-ups wearing a nasty New York Mets hat. So I'm going to do that just for you. My son Jackson might actually help me out with that. All right? Here you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 5, 6, 7, 8, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Thanks, Jackson. I appreciate it.
High five, Daddy.
High five.
Yeah.